Welcome to Lotus Student Mentor channel. In this session, we are going to create a simple graph in graph theory using Python. What is a graph? A graph is very simple. Graph is a set of nodes and vertices. I'll explain it in detail in the coming videos. What is a node? Node is nothing but a workstation or some station. We'll make it as a circular, vertices and all. And edges, these edges means connection between the nodes. My main focus is that if you want to create a simple graph in Python programming, we need two things. We have to import networks and matplotlib. Now let us begin here. We have to install network and matplotlib. For that, what we have to do? Pip install networks on matplotlib, then it will be installed. If you are using ideally, you have to install it. I will tell you one more thing. You can do directly also by using in Google Colab. It will be installed by default. Alright, all libraries will be installed in Google Colab. I am going to display or work Python programming in Google Colab. Yes, here we have to write import networks as nx, import matplotlib, that is dot pyplot as plot. It will be imported. Alright. Why this networks? Networks importing library is highly useful to create and manage graphs, whereas matplotlib to visualize the graphs. For creating and managing networks, for visualizing, matplotlib is required. Alright, library visualizing the graph. First step is that first g equal to nx dot graph. It creates an empty graph. Okay. The next one is that we have to add nodes to the graph. That is g dot add underscore, that is node 1, adds a single node. If it is want to add 2, 3, 4, 5 number of nodes will be added. This is what we have to go for it. The next step is that to add the edges. If you want to add edges, g for graph dot add edge, that is 1, 2. Like that, add edge from 1, 3, 2, 4, 3, 5, 4, 5. These 1, 2, 3 all are nodes, node numbers. Okay, 1 to 2, that means add edge will be this. They take from the node 1 to node 2. Here, node 1 to node 3, node 2 to node 4, node 3 to node 5, node 4 to node 5. Node 5, it will be added. Then after that, we want to set figure size. What is the figure size? Is 5 by 5. And we have to draw the labels in different colors. Node color becomes light blue. If you want to blue or black or red, whatever one, you can keep it. And edge color is the gray. Okay, alright, we mention here. This is what edge color, node size. After edge color, we have to give node size, that is 2000. And font size is 15. If you want to font size, you can change the font size also. After that, plot show. Now this is what the program, there are 6 steps are there. What is the step 1? Let us go back. Step 1 is install necessary libraries. Yes, networks and matplotlib. Next, importing. What is the importing? We have to import networks and matplotlib, and we have to create a graph object. Step 4 is add nodes to the graph. Step 5 is add edges to connect nodes, and step 6 is visualize the graph. Alright. The next one is the output. What is the output? The output will be visible like that. Alright. 1, this is called node. 1 is the node, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 nodes are here. This 1 to 2 joined with edge. Okay. And 1, 2, 3 edges. These are all edges. How many edges are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 edges are there. Alright, I am going to demonstrate this graph programming in Google Colab. Yes, let us see. It's very simple to make it understand in Google Colab. I will explain it and give brief description about Google Colab and all. These are Google Colab. I'll make one video also for you. What is introduction to Google Colab for doing the graphs in Python programming. Alright. As I mentioned, these are the step 1, that is the gx, that is nx dot graph. Step 2, add nodes. Step 3, add edges. Step 4, draw and visualize the graph. Now, what is the output here? The output, if you want to show you, just this button, if you press it, or run cell, control enter. If you go for it, the program, yes, is the running now. Yes, the output of the program is this one. This is the output. If you type number of outputs, this is the output of the graph. All right, again 1 2 3, the shape comes. Again, if you give that, if you press again one more, again run, this is the run button, that is run cell or control enter. If you do short form, then it comes a different shape of output. This is also correct graph. Now you understand, this is another graph. Now if you again run, what will happen? You see, the number of shapes can be, that means the graph can be in different shapes. That's what, it's not like single answer it should be, because understand, now it becomes, you see how it becomes 1 2 3 4 5, but data follows. Let us we'll play with graphs Python. Now I mentioned here in this programming, you understand, I gave more details. All right, 1 2 1 3 2 4 3 5 and all. You can add number of edges 7, but I did not add any edges. I gave number of nodes. Yes, control S, saving 1 2 3 4 5. Now here 7, no, I gave 7 edges, 7 nodes. Edges are remain same. Here you see 1 2 2 edge node 1 2 2 1 3 2 4 3 5 4 5 1 6 2 6 5 6, but there is no edge to 7. Let us see, I am going to demonstrate. Run the cell. If you run the cell, you see that 7th node becomes isolated. It won't be connected anywhere. Yes, not at all connected. Yes, where it is 7th node? The 7th node is very far. That 7th node is not connected to anything. That 7th node is known as what? Null. It is known as the null graph. It is the what? Null graph is. All right. In this manner, you can understand many things. I hope you understood the concept of the graph algorithm. Thank you for watching.